Welcome to another update from the Force 13, where we have a major hurricane with the name Irma. Currently on the screen is a satellite view of Irma and is a mid-range Cat 3 system. This is the life of Hurricane Irma up to the present time. I think Hurricane Irma has taken a lot of people by surprise, how quickly she has developed. The latest from the National Hurricane Center on Irma, their track. Tropical tidbits, models and various tracks. We advise caution to be applied when viewing the models, the tracks, because there's no doubt that the picture is going to change. Model intensity guidance, and at this point in time, a split between a high range Cat 3 and a Cat 4. This is one of 4 models. I think it's the spaghetti models, views on Irma. Force 13's Nathan is currently recovering from a period of sickness. This is why I've been doing the updates over the last few days. Apology. I've enjoyed doing them for the project, and Nathan, and he should be back on board sometime over the weekend. Look at the NOAA floaters on the hurricane, and Irma has developed a eye. Sea surface temperature mid-20s. Up to 29 Celsius. Location is actually 17.3 degrees north, 34.8 degrees west. Movement west-northwest at 10 knots. And as mentioned, category 3 on this Saffir-Simpson scale, and minimum essential pressure is 967 millibars. Surface wind field of the hurricane earliest reasonable arrival time of tropical storm force winds. wind speed probabilities and look at the scale at the bottom of the screen and look at that area in purple. Irma is about 720 miles west of the Cape Verde Islands, 1780 miles east of the Leeward Islands. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 115 miles per hour with higher gusts. Whilst Irma is a Category 3 hurricane, fluctuations in strength, both up and down, are possible, but Irma is expected to remain a powerful hurricane for several days. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 15 miles from the centre. Tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 80 miles. Now we have a look at the latest 850 millibar vorticity. You can see the location of Irma. We have one in the East Pac and Tropical Depression Harvey, the latest shear tendency and the wind shear. Force 13 will continue to bring updated information on the developing tropical scene, especially Irma, and the latest GFS total precipitation view.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.